They got a chase plane half a mile off on our right.
On the right, yeah.
It's coming right at us. We are right on the runway. Go right on top of us.
Looks more like 1,500 than 200 to me.
Well, he's got to
down.
he's got to clear the towers and all. Oh, this is going to be a great view.
I'm terrified.
It's going to be loud, I guess.
You got it?
Ooh. I'm trying to shoot both video and stills at the same time, as difficult as that is.
It's coming right. It's coming right. It's coming right at us. Coming towards you.
Yeah, he's going to go right over the center line here. When you say loop, you mean a 360.
I'm joking. I have no idea what
I think they were saying it might just do one, the second pass.
Yeah. Huh. Darn.
This is still.
Actually, this is perfect because I've never
He did follow right down 101.